Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable from showing Windows Boot Manager in Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Type CMD in search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. BCD edit. Space /set. Space open bracket boot mgr closing bracket. Space display boot menu space no. Exit. Restart your PC and check Boot Manager is appearing or not. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.